Are you looking for the best coffee makers? In this video we will look at some of the best coffee makers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Cuisinart PerfecTemp 14-cup coffee maker. This Cuisinart coffee maker is the gold standard for a lot of at-home coffee fanatics because of its simple, no-frills functionality. If you want to switch from regular strength coffee to a bold brew, simply tap the bold button on the control settings and let the magic happen. That's just one of several programmable functions included on this coffee maker, though. You can also customize brew start and auto off times, number of cups, 1 to 4 at a time, the temperature of the carafe, and whether you want a sound to play when your coffee is ready. You can even pause the machine while brewing to pour yourself a cup and avoid dripping coffee onto the warming plate. The unit includes its own reusable coffee filter and a charcoal water filter. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER 12-cup programmable coffee maker. Between its attractive design, large 12-cup capacity, and convenient features, the BLACK+DECKER 12-cup programmable coffee maker offers great value for its price. It has a large digital display and rubberized buttons that make it easy to check the time, set a timer, and toggle through programming options. You'll never have to guess how much water is in the reservoir. The coffee maker features a front-facing window that lets you see how full it is. If you like to sip your Java over the course of the morning, you'll love that the appliance's hot plate keeps the coffee warm for up to an hour after it's finished brewing. There's also a sneak a cup feature that temporarily pauses the flow of coffee so you can grab a cup mid-brew. And don't worry about forgetting to shut it off. The coffee maker turns off automatically after 2 hours for added peace of mind. Number 3. Tchibo fully automatic coffee machine. If some in your household prefer regular drip coffee while others prefer espresso, the Tchibo coffee maker provides common ground for everyone's caffeine preferences. This premium machine only uses whole beans, and once loaded into the hopper, they are kept sealed for freshness until the second they're ground. This adds a whole other layer of aromatic richness to your standard cup. Just select your size and the strength of your coffee via the touch panel buttons, and in about 3 minutes, you'll have a freshly brewed cup waiting for you. Although it's pretty expensive and a little on the noisy side, we love the Tchibo single-serve coffee maker for how easy it is for multiple drinkers to brew to their liking whenever they want a cup. We also think this is one of the easiest coffee makers to clean. It has an automatic descaling function and a magnetic drip tray you can swiftly remove and clean, ensuring that your coffee always tastes great. With a slim, compact design, it could easily slide into a nook on your kitchen countertop. Number 4. Nespresso Vertuo Evoluo coffee machine. If you're an Nespresso household, you'll naturally want the best model that's compatible with these recyclable pods. This combination coffee/espresso machine from Deloni will keep your taste buds happy and your caffeine buzz strong each day. This unit brews 4 different cups, 2 espresso, single or double, and 2 regular coffee sizes, 5 or 8 ounces. It is only compatible with Nespresso's Vertuo capsules, and the machine will scan each capsule to determine the optimal temperature, pressure, and brew time for that particular blend. It heats up in just 15 to 20 seconds. Number 5. Hamilton Beach FlexBrew Trio 2-Way Coffee Maker. You don't have to choose between brewing a pot or making a single cup of joe. The Hamilton Beach FlexBrew 2-Way Coffee Maker can do both. That's a game changer for couples who prefer different brands of coffee or want the option to have both regular and decaf coffee on demand. You can program this model to brew a cup for you first thing in the morning, but keep in mind that this function can only be used with the carafe side. This side is equipped with a warming plate that'll keep your fresh brewed coffee warm for up to 2 hours. The single-serve side is compatible with pods like K-Cups, as well as a removable grounds basket to brew up to 14 ounces of coffee from pre-ground beans. That's just the right amount to fill up a travel mug for your commute.